Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about white box testing. Like we said, we have black box testing techniques and we also have white box testing techniques. We have explained earlier the black box testing techniques and we said that these are the techniques in which we don't know anything about the internal structure of our system. We just provide some inputs and wait for the output. For example, if this is a calculator that adds numbers, I add 2 plus 3 and I wait for the output, which is 5. I don't look at the function or the coding which performed this operation. On the other hand, white box testing provides input to the system, but it looks at the internal structure of the system. We perform the same operation, for example, 2 plus 3, which is 5, and we begin to look at the code that performs this operation. Okay, we begin to design our test cases based on the scenarios that the code is going to work in. That's why some people call it architectural based testing or structural. Why? Because you test the architecture or the structure of your system. White box testing is mostly used by developers. Okay, any developer who is testing his code must understand white box testing. When he is performing unit testing or component testing, he must use the white box techniques on his code. And it is also used by testers in critical systems. Okay, and also we can say sometimes in agile modes. Okay, so if we are performing or developing a system that is safety critical, we must ensure that all the paths inside our code is tested correctly. That's why we may ask the tester to perform white box testing. So whether you are a developer or tester, this section might be helpful for you. Okay, and also in agile testing, we have something which is called team cross-functionality or cross-functional team. What is it? It means that the team merges their functions. Okay, the tester sometimes he develops things and the developer sometimes tests things. That's why the tester might perform unit testing, and in this case he is going to test the code. But there is an important thing: if you are going to perform unit testing or white box testing on any code, you must be efficient and experienced in the language that this code is written in. So if this code is written in C, you must be familiar with C. If it is written in Java, you must be familiar with Java. We will begin in the next videos to explain the white box techniques. We have statement coverage, decision coverage, condition coverage, path coverage, MCDC, and other techniques that we will talk about each one of them in a separate video and begin to solve some examples on it. Thank you and see you in the next video.